tire replacement semi-thin wall.
Whew, gotta be careful with these wires. Look at that. Whew, that's bad. Switch. Perfect. Whew. Yeah. Lock it in. Perfect. Yeet, yeet, yeet. There we go. Put that plastic on here. It doesn't damage the rim. Hey. Come on. Yeah. It's gonna be a little bitch on these skinny tires. I'll make sure the TPMS sensor right here. There we go. Gotta be careful. Lift it up. Come on. Yeah. There we go. Oh, shit. Get down there, buddy. Up and up. Up. There we go. Yeesh. Yeah. In with the new tire. There we go. Give me some lubrication. Other side. Whew, almost fell. Very nice. Put this back here. Hook it up. Inside outside rotational and alright. Yeah. Come on, there we go. Nice stretchy tires. Into this. There we go. Leave this guy here. Spin. Spin. No, spin. Want to slip. Yeah. Come on. Break the speed, bro. Come on. Come on. Come on. Almost. There we go. Yeah. Come on. There we go.
It should go up.
There you go.
Oh, they had the wrong brake.
That was annoying. Let's air this bitch up. Oh. Woo. Come on.